Do you ever wake up feeling like you didn't sleep at all? That bone-deep exhaustion that clings to you, no matter how early you went to bed or how many hours you stayed asleep? You're not alone. Nearly half of all adults say they feel tired most of the time. And if you're over 50, the numbers are even higher. Fatigue is more than just needing more sleep. It's a signal that something deeper is going on. You've probably heard the usual advice: get better sleep, drink more water, move your body. And while these things matter, they barely scratch the surface of why your energy is running on empty. What if the real reason you feel drained isn't just lifestyle, but biology? What if the key to fixing your fatigue starts at the cellular level? Let's explore why you're so tired, and more importantly, how you can fix it. Your brain, for starters, is a marvel of evolution. It's essentially the same brain your ancestors had 300,000 years ago. But how we use it today is radically different. In the modern world, the average adult makes tens of thousands of micro decisions every single day. What to wear, what to eat, how to respond to texts and emails, what to say in meetings, when to check social media, and on and on. Each one of these decisions activates a specific part of your brain called the prefrontal cortex. Every time your brain processes a decision, it uses a neurotransmitter called glutamate. Glutamate is like a signal booster, helping neurons communicate quickly and efficiently. But there's a catch. The more decisions you make, the more glutamate builds up. And when there's too much glutamate in your brain, it starts to clog your neural circuits, making communication between brain cells slower and less efficient. Imagine your brain as a busy city with highways and intersections. Every decision creates a little bit of traffic, and over time, that traffic builds up until even simple tasks feel mentally exhausting. That's why you can feel absolutely wiped out after a day full of meetings or complicated tasks, even if you never left your chair. But that's just one layer. Now we need to zoom in even further, down to the level of your cells. Chronic fatigue, at its core, can often be traced to one underlying issue: cellular deterioration. As we age, our cells become less efficient at producing energy and cleaning up waste. This leads to fatigue that no amount of caffeine or sleep can fix. There are two main culprits behind this deterioration: chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation is like a slow-burning fire inside your body. It's your immune system stuck in overdrive, responding to threats, real or imagined, around the clock. This constant state of alert takes energy away from your normal bodily functions and redirects it to fight inflammation, leaving you feeling drained. Then there's oxidative stress, which is essentially a form of internal rust. Free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells, build up faster than your body can neutralize them. This particularly affects your mitochondria, the tiny structures inside your cells responsible for producing energy. When mitochondria are damaged, your ability to create energy nosedives. These two causes, chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, interfere with 6 vital energy pathways in your body. First, there's mitochondrial function. Your mitochondria generate 95% of your body's energy. If they're underperforming, so are you. Second, glutathione production. Glutathione is the master antioxidant that helps clean up cellular waste and protect your cells from damage. Low levels mean more stress, more damage, and less energy. Third, copper peptide activation. Copper peptides are compounds that help repair tissue and support cellular energy. As we age, our levels of copper peptides decline. Fourth, carnosine levels. Carnosine is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells and supports muscle endurance. It's especially important for physical energy and stamina. Fifth, stem cell activity. Your stem cells are responsible for repairing and regenerating damaged tissue. When this system slows down, everything from muscle recovery to mental sharpness takes a hit. And finally, circadian rhythm regulation. This is your internal clock, the system that tells you when to wake up, when to feel alert, and when to wind down. When it's disrupted, your energy never finds its natural rhythm. Now that you know the 6 energy pathways, let's talk about how to restore them. Let's start with mitochondrial function. To support your mitochondria, focus on foods rich in coenzyme Q10 and B vitamins. CoQ10 is found in fatty fish and organ meats. B vitamins are abundant in leafy greens, eggs, and legumes. These nutrients help fuel the mitochondria, keeping your cellular power plants running strong. Exercise, too, plays a crucial role. Short, consistent workouts, just 15 to 20 minutes a day, can trigger your body to produce more mitochondria. That means your energy baseline actually rises over time, not just after a workout. Next, to boost glutathione production, turn to foods high in glutathione precursors. That includes garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Glutathione is made from 3 amino acids: glutamine, glycine, and cysteine, so a diet rich in those building blocks is key. Another simple way to boost glutathione is intermittent fasting. Giving your body a break from constant digestion allows it to focus on repair and detoxification. Even a daily fasting window of 14 to 16 hours can make a difference. That might look like finishing dinner by 7 p.m. and having your first meal the next day at 10 a.m. To activate copper peptides, consider cutting-edge wellness technology that naturally stimulates the body's repair processes. These peptides can help rebuild tissue, reduce inflammation, and enhance energy at the cellular level. They are naturally produced in your body, but their activity can be enhanced through light-based patches or other forms of peptide activation. Next, we come to carnosine. This molecule is concentrated in your muscles and plays a vital role in preventing fatigue during physical activity. One of the best ways to increase carnosine levels is through strength training. You don't need to hit the gym for hours. Even bodyweight exercises at home can make a real difference. Let's talk about stem cell activation. Stem cells are like blank slates that your body can use to repair damage wherever it's needed. But as you age, your stem cell activity slows dramatically. Fortunately, recent advances in regenerative health make it possible to naturally support and reactivate your body's stem cells using non-invasive methods. These can improve everything from skin health to joint function to mental clarity, all by restoring your body's internal repair mechanisms. Finally, let's address your circadian rhythm. Your body runs on a 24-hour internal clock. This clock is highly sensitive to light. One of the most effective things you can do to set your body's rhythm is to get natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Morning light helps regulate melatonin production, which in turn affects how awake you feel during the day and how deeply you sleep at night. In the evening, reverse the process. Avoid screens and artificial blue light after sunset. Dim your lights and create a sleep environment that's cool, dark, and quiet. Also, be mindful of caffeine. It has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours, which means that afternoon coffee could still be in your system by bedtime. Let's bring this together into a simple, energizing daily routine. In the morning, start your day with 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight. Hydrate with a large glass of water. Eat a protein-rich breakfast with healthy fats and slow-digesting carbs. And if you drink coffee, have it before noon. In the middle of your day, take a 10-minute walk outdoors to reset your energy. If you hit an energy slump, try a coffee nap. Drink a small cup of coffee, then take a 15-minute nap before the caffeine kicks in. Keep lunch light but nourishing, with plenty of colorful vegetables and protein. And minimize decision fatigue by grouping similar tasks together. In the evening, finish your last meal by 7 p.m. Dim your lights and step away from screens at least an hour before bed. You can support your body's natural repair process by activating stem cell pathways with wellness technology. Create a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet, and aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. If you're tired all the time, it's not because you're lazy, unmotivated, or simply getting older. It's because your body is running low on cellular energy and sending you signals to pay attention. By understanding and supporting the 6 pathways we've talked about today, you can begin to restore your energy from the inside out. This isn't about chasing quick fixes or downing another energy drink. It's about giving your body the raw materials and support it needs to function at its best, naturally. And in the next episode, we'll explore how stem cell technology is helping thousands of people take their energy and health to the next level, without drugs, injections, or expensive treatments. Your energy is your life force, and now you have the tools to reclaim it.